Move now into a time of meditation. And so I invite you just in this moment to become comfortable where you are, to allow the power and the presence of Spirit to move through you in this moment. Turning our attention away from the world around us, letting go of those outer worries, those outer distractions, those outer concerns. We focus now on the power, the presence, the peace of Spirit. As we move now into a deeper connection, a deeper awareness not only of Spirit's presence in our lives, but of the light that truly shines in this moment. And as we feel our awareness of that light grow, we feel our heart growing light and thankful. We release worry and frustration as we begin to feel, to trust, to know that our every need will be met. And so we sit with Spirit's presence in this moment, simply discovering more of God's light and God's love as we rest in the silence. And ever so gently, we feel our heart being drawn back to this time, to this place. Carrying with it new possibilities for good, possibilities for light, for love, for expansion. Carrying with it openings for things that we had thought previously were not possible. And so it is with gratitude in our heart that we awaken now into the unlimited possibilities present in every moment. We step forward now into this day, ready to be and express all that we are as we continue to give thanks in this and in all circumstances. And so it is with that gratitude in our heart that we say, thank you, Spirit. And so it is. Amen.